Vitiligo affects millions of people worldwide, but no two people in exactly the same way. It used to be someone would stare at me at work, and then that'd be it. I'd go home with my head down, look myself in the mirror, and just think. I noticed it a year ago. I remember thinking the color would come back, like how a tan fades, but instead, it spread. And it's still spreading across my face, you know? It's scary. I've never got used to it, even after 30 years. Instead, I just got used to how it makes me feel. Not angry anymore, but sad and frustrated. Frustrated that I spend all day just waiting for the next person to give me that look. I came to see it wasn't the vitiligo making me feel so drained. It was spending so much time and energy trying to hide it or treat it, and getting nowhere. I'm in college, the time of your life, right? Not for me. When someone asks what's going on with my skin, I smile outside, but inside I just want to go home. Sometimes I do. Eventually I thought, you know what? Do I hide? Or do I get out and live? I mean, it's my vitiligo, so it's me. Anyone who can't see that is not worth worrying over. I envy people who find peace with their vitiligo, who even celebrate it. I wish I could think about it that way, but I can't. It just makes me even sadder. It's the first thing I see every morning and the last thing I think about at night. I guess accepting vitiligo was how I kept control of my story. But now there is this clinical trial. I see what could be a whole new chapter for me and others like me. It doesn't feel like a U-turn to me, more like traveling the full circle. The STOP V1 and STOP V2 clinical trials are recruiting adults with non-segmental vitiligo to help investigate a possible new once-daily oral medication. The first reason I joined the trial is because vitiligo is changing my face, and I'm exploring every option I see to treat it. I learned that the drug has been studied in another trial that showed some good results. The researchers found that it worked in most of the participants and was safe enough to be studied in more people. They wanted me to know that the results of this study might not be the same as in the last one. No medicine works for every patient, so the study drug might not work at all in me. If it does, it may take a long time. Importantly, they also wanted to make sure that I understood that being in a clinical trial includes some risk, since the researchers are still learning about the study drug. But they assured me that the study team would monitor me closely, and if there were any safety concerns, they could stop the study. I know so many people with vitiligo. Even if it turns out that the potential new treatment doesn't work for me, if this study can help even one other person, I want to be a part of it. They warned me the pigment can come back in patches. It may look worse before it looks better. The doctor told me that this is a good sign. It showed that the medication is working because you start to get pigment back around hair follicles first, then it starts filling in. And I said, believe me, at this point, I can handle that. When I head to my trial appointments, I think about all the other people around the world doing the same thing. Just knowing that makes me feel less alone, and I feel lucky to have my friends and my family's support. I know that I might get placebo for the first year, but they said there's a second trial phase where everyone gets the active study treatment. That was reassuring to hear, I admit. I've lived with my vitiligo for 30 years. Another year is not that long. All the doctor visits, tests, and medicine are paid for during the trial. And it is true that I have more appointments with the specialists. But this way, I feel like I'm getting great care and that I'm learning about the disease. For 15 years, I didn't let vitiligo stop me. But now, they tell me I can maybe stop it. They'll like the sound of that. So yes, I'm signing up to join the trial. I can't wait to see how it goes.